Welcome to my first video on my channel. Lately, I have been working on crypto projects, and the question that I get asked the most is how to make a flash loan. So, I wanted to make a code that executes a flash loan on Binance Smart Chain. In the following videos, I'm going to make one in Ethereum, but considering the gas prices that are paid, I decided that my first video will be about BSC. The first thing we need to do is have a wallet in our browser. In my case, I use MetaMask. You can download it in this link. And once you have downloaded it, you can create your account and see something like this. Second, as we're going to take advantage of the Binance Smart Chain arbitrage, we need to configure the network in our wallet. In my case, I will do it with MetaMask. So, to do this, I'm going to MetaMask, I'm going to add network, and this interface shows. In this, where he is asking me for some parameters, those parameters we can find it here. This link you will find in the description below. We're going to go down here and select these parameters. Those parameters we're going to copy into those inputs. Name of the network, your RPC, chain ID, symbol, BNB, and optional the block explorer URL. Once we have done this, we could hit save and the network will appear here, as you can see. So once we have everything ready, we're going to remix here in the remix.ethereum.org. Here we're going to find some options, but we're going to focus on the ones that matter to us, which is to see how flash loans are made. We're going to copy the code that I leave below in the description and compile it. So, we copy the code, create the file, and we are going to compile it. We make sure that the compiler version is 0.5. We hit compile, and everything is okay. The contract is created. Once compiled, we connect our wallet using the injected Web3 option here. The account appears here. We need to make sure that we have enough BNB to fund our gas commissions for our operations. We then select the contract here, and to deploy our contract we need to ingest those parameters. So we're going to put here free BNB, FBNB for our token symbol, and 1000 for loan amount. We hit transact and the MetaMask notification appears, and in here it is billing me the gas commission to create a contract. We hit confirm, and the contract is created, as we can see here. So we copy the address of the contract, and we need to send to the address the funds that are going to be used for the loan. So we're going to send to the contract address. We copy it here, and we choose to send 0.1. This is what we recommend, because otherwise we'll be competing against another contract that does the same thing and will beat us as long as he has more money, because he can pay the gas fees. So we're going to say 0.1, we hit follow, next, we're going to confirm the transaction. Okay, the transaction is confirmed. We could see that the funds has been sent. So once we send the contract payments, we must go to the contract in this part of the interface, and we're going to make the action to execute the contract. So it asks me for the commission to pay for the action, and I confirm it. Once we have done this, our contract is executed, and we wait for our flash loans to be executed in the Binance. This can take several minutes depending on the congestion of the blockchain, or it can take also hours. Now that I have waited like 30 minutes, and we can see that our funds are already here. We open MetaMask and we can see the funds here. So we had cast 0.1 and the flash loan in the same transaction returned us 0.45. This means that for every 0.1 that we send in this function, yes, the flash loan today is returning 0.35. Of course, it will not always be like this. It may be more or less, depending on the arbitrage in various exchanges and the fluctuation of the market. That's all, friend. I hope to help you with more videos like this.